How to turn off or on support email notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on support email notifications on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find this three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and now notifications, and here you will see email notifications. Click on it and scroll down until you find support emails, and if you want to turn it off, just click off, and you can turn it on again just clicking this one here on, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.